Hello everyone, today I will to talk about city life and country life. First, let's talk about the environment. In the city, the environment is often noisy and polluted because there are many cars and factories. In contrast, the countryside is much cleaner and quieter, with fresh air and more green space. Next is transport. In the city, transport is very convenient. There are buses, taxis, and many routes. Written traffic jams are very common. In the countryside, there are fewer vehicles, so it's less crowded, but transportation is not convenient. And now the cost of living. Living in city is quite expensive. People to pay more for food, housing, and survive. However, life in the countryside is much cheaper and more affordable. Let's talk about people. People in the city are usually busy and sometimes not very friendly. Meanwhile, people in country are often kind, welcoming, and helpful. Finally, do I like living in city or countryside? Personally, I prefer living in city because it has more opportunity for study and work, even though it is noisy and expensive. Thank you for listening.